Recently, the Louisiana legislature created new anti-hazing laws, including the Max Gruver Act, that were designed to prevent future incidents of hazing in Louisiana. The new statute, called Criminal Hazing, was created and adopted in 2018. It makes it illegal for anyone to commit an act of hazing. So what is hazing in Louisiana? Hazing is any intentional, knowing, or reckless act by a person acting alone or acting with others that is directed against another when both of the following apply. The person knew or should have known that the act endangers the physical health or safety of the other person or causes severe emotional distress, and the act was associated with pledging membership in any organization. Hazing includes physical brutality such as whipping, beating, paddling, striking, branding, electronic shocking, placing of a harmful substance on the body, or similar activity. Physical activities such as sleep deprivation, exposure to the elements, confinement in a small space, or calisthenics that subjects the other person to an unreasonable risk of harm or that adversely affects the physical health or safety of the individual or causes severe emotional distress. Activity involving consumption of food, liquid, or any other substance, including but not limited to an alcoholic beverage or drug that subjects the individual to an unreasonable risk of harm or that adversely affects the physical health or safety of the individual or causes severe emotional distress, or activity that induces, causes, or requires an individual to perform a duty or task that involves the commission of a crime or an act of hazing. So what are the penalties for hazing? The penalty for criminal hazing in Louisiana is a fine of up to $1,000 and/or imprisonment for up to 6 months. This is a misdemeanor. If the hazing results in serious bodily injury or death to the victim, or the hazing involves forced or coerced alcohol consumption that results in the victim having a blood alcohol concentration of at least 0.3% by weight based on grams of alcohol per 100 cubic centimeters of blood, any person who commits an act of hazing shall be fined up to $10,000 and imprisoned with or without hard labor for up to 5 years. Now, this is a felony offense. Is there a duty to report hazing? Yes. The criminal hazing law includes a duty to report incidents of hazing for any national organization of the fraternity. If the national chapter of the fraternity obtains information of hazing, it must notify law enforcement of the incident. What if the pledge consents to hazing? The legislature has made clear that the pledge consenting to the hazing is not a defense to an accusation of hazing. Therefore, if the alleged hazing offender, for example, the active member, cannot use as a defense the fact that the pledge knew when he showed up that evening that he was going to get hazed. I hope this video helps you understand hazing in Louisiana. It's not intended to be formal legal advice. If you have been charged or arrested for hazing and need to hire a criminal defense attorney, give me a call. I'll be happy to help.